Do you want to learn more about HTML? Well, you've come to the right place because this is the introductory course to HTML and how to get started creating your first website. Explore how you can write HTML code to create your website, source code, including step-by-step instructions to get started. There's also a bonus PDF resource guide available within the course to help you along the lessons. Perfect for beginners who want to write HTML code and don't know where to begin. This is the place. Covering the basics of HTML, tags, page elements, how HTML page structure works, how to set up and prepare to write code, constructing web pages with HTML, creating lists, formatting page content using up hyperlinks, images, applying a basic CSS to your page layout, styling to create a basic website using HTML, website planning and basic structure of HTML, and a whole lot more. This course is taught by a web developer with over 20 years of real-world experience, ready to help you learn more about HTML. There's also fast, friendly support available in the Q&A section if you need help on clarifying any of the content covered within the course. You've got nothing to lose, everything to gain. Start writing HTML today. Join now. This is the place to begin writing your HTML code and constructing your first web pages.